Welcome to the Trick Shift Garage. In this video, I'm going to show you what I've noticed about the 2018 Chevy Traverse here. I've noticed that the Stabilitrak light has been popping on here and there intermittently, and I've done a little search online, and comes to find out every time it comes on from auto stop, you know, when you stop at a light or stop sign or whatever, the Stabilitrak light pops on for a second and then goes away. So I'm going to go on a little test drive with you guys, and we're going to confirm this diagnosis. The internet, I'm not going to, you know, lead you on. The internet's telling me the battery is probably going out, which makes sense because this battery is the original from 2018. So at this point it's 2024, almost 2025. So I mean, it's probably the battery that's going out. But let's go ahead for a test drive and verify this issue. The voltage is fine when the engine's on. So when your voltage is like 15, 14, you know, volts, that's probably like the normal, and the light turned green. Go figure. When I want to stop, it's not going to let me stop. I'm probably going to catch every light on the way. I didn't think there was anything wrong with the actual Stabilitrak system. I think what's going on is it's kind of resetting the computer for the traction control, I'm guessing. I'm not 100%, but we're gonna hopefully catch a red here. All right, I think we got a stop light here. Should be here in a minute. Let's see if we can set this off. Again, we're testing to see about the Stabilitrak warning light coming on. So I'm just gonna stop here. Okay. All right, there goes the auto stop. And we're just going to observe the voltage down to 12. And it's going down because, you know, of all the systems that are still on, even though the engine's off. Like, I got the fan on, the heater's running, all the computers and sensors, they're all still drawing power. Okay, let's see, we're at 12 volts. Right at 12. Looks like it's holding there. Okay, the light's still red, and there goes the voltage going down below 12. Let's see if we can get it to go off for us. 11.7. All right, the light's turning green. Here we go. There it is. Service Stabilitrak. And just like that, it's gone. Once the engine turns on, it starts charging the battery, the voltage goes all the way back up. So this is just telling me that the battery is getting older. It's the original OEM battery, AC Delco from the factory. And again, this is a 2018. We're in 2024 now, almost 2025. And yeah, I think it's just time to replace this battery. Okay, so we've already established that the battery, we think, is going bad. We're going to go put that to the test with my Moto Power battery tester. Kind of want to do it on my own. Really want to see if this Moto Power battery tester works. All right, so what I'm going to do is we're going to hook this up and then run this test. It only takes like a minute, and it'll let me know right away. All right, so first step we want to do is you want to lift this red tab up, okay? And then you have two simple clamps here. All right, and all you got to do is put the red with the red, and there's a little kind of like post sticking out here, perfect for my clamps. So let's clamp to that, give it a little wiggle, make sure we got good contact. And then for the negative, now you always want to do the red first, then black. So put the black on. All right, that powers up the battery tester. Go to battery, and usually it starts on battery. You can use the arrow buttons. So anyway, we're going to battery, okay, and we're going to go to the standard battery test. Okay, now for the 2018 Chevy Traverse, and I'm assuming the whole generation of these Traverses, Enclaves, the GMC Acadia, you know, they're all like sister vehicles. They probably all use the AGM tablet battery, okay? It's easy to tell because, you know, the I think they're called Optima batteries. They have like little cylinders. Those are what's considered the winding battery because they go in cylinders. We're going to go ahead and select tablet battery. Okay. And then for mode select, I'm just going to use CCA, which is, it just means cold cranking amps. Okay. And then it just gives you a little brief window here. Turn off the engine and all appliances. Just make sure your car's off. Okay. Now, for information, it's going to ask for what is your cold cranking amps. Okay. And all you have to do is look at your capacity here. See where it says CCA 730? That's the number we have to put in. And as you can see, I already got 730, but you can use these arrow keys. Right jumps you up by 20. Okay, and then the up arrow can jump you up by 5, increments by 5. And you go back down. Okay, so make sure you have 730 or whatever your battery says. Okay, that's the important part. Whatever your battery cold cranking amp says on it, that's the number you put in here. Okay, don't follow me with 730 if your battery's saying a different number. Okay, we'll go ahead and hit OK, and then boom, test takes off. Here we go, and voila. So it's kind of your basic readout. At the end of the day, you can see that right there. It's saying the battery is in poor condition. Say the charge is only 82%. Okay, voltage 12.4. This takes all the parameters in and then spits out your verdicts, poor. So you could take this as pretty nifty little tool. I tested it with the Ultima in one of my other videos on the channel, and it turned out to be okay, or good, I think it said. So now this battery is indeed bad, and this Moto Power battery tester works pretty good, I'd say. Okay, and when you're done, just remove the black and then remove the red, and that's how you test your battery. It's all but pretty much confirmed that the battery is indeed probably more likely the culprit. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the battery on it, and that should clear up the Stabilitrak warning light that pops on. If your Stabilitrak light pops on for more than a split second, like mine did twice, you probably actually have a Stabilitrak issue. And to that I say, take it into a dealership and let them diagnose that, because that's not what this video is for. Other than that, that's it for this little test drive video. I will be replacing the battery very shortly, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. If you like our work, go ahead, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell for more Trick Shift Garage videos, and we'll see you on the next one.